Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your Twitter's theme color, right? So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Twitter open up here. So this is our Twitter for Jobs Namibia. Please make sure you follow us. Jobs Namibia is one of our division here at Kandowa Media, so please consider following us on our Twitter account. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can change your color. Like if you check here, this color right now that I'm using is like sky blue, light blue, navy blue and stuff. So let's say we want to change that color, you want to change your theme color. So all you have to do is on your home page, right, just come to more here, right, and then this tab should be opening up. Now come to display, right, and then this should be opening up, right? So I don't want to change the font size, don't want to change the default background, I want to change the color. So just mark the color that you want to. Let's say I want to use this purple, right? So I mark the purple. Now just click on done, right? Once you click on done, you'll see your color or your theme color has now changed to purple. So yeah, that's how you can change your theme color or your profile, your Twitter theme color. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you go, and leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time or if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. Now with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.